Hare Krishna, ma'am.
Yes, we are going to the next question. I think the questions are very easy this time.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. So invite
Hello, Mataji. Ma'am, आपने Mataji I can see. तो फिर मैं WhatsApp पे गया फिर मुझे I can see the question.
Who can't see the question?
Asha Mataji.
Aisha, you're not able to see the question.
Ma'am, Asha.
Ashia, you got the link?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, I'll send you the question separately. Okay, after the session, I'll send it to you separately. You can try it again. Advika is leading the chart.
हरिओम माता जी
हरिओम।
मैं क्लास में बैठा हुआ था जब आपने मेरा नाम लिया तो मैं व्हाट्सएप पे गया लेकिन आपने तो लिंक भेजा था वो मुझे नहीं मिला।
Not in WhatsApp, chat में है. Link is in chat box. In Zoom there is chat box, no? There it is the link. You just open the chat. Are you able to see it? Lakshay?
Hare Krishna, ma'am.
Ishwarya.
Ma'am, please.
Yes.
Ma'am, please send again.
Yeah, I have sent it in chat. Repeatedly I am sending. 7Y5202.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you just do it. So just 2 more questions to go. Krishna. So we are coming to the end of the quiz. Advika is leading, followed by Yashika, Maulishri, Freya Vyas. Freya is also joined. So this is the last question. Yes. So we have completed the quiz. Kids, did you enjoy the quiz?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Who are all not able to join the quiz? Everyone joined?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Okay. So let us go into the session. So the results will be published in WhatsApp. So you listen to the session carefully so that next time you can answer the quiz properly. So shall we go into the session?
Yes. Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji.
So we have completed the quiz. So let us see the Guru Pranam. Anybody know this Guru Pranam mantra? Anyone can recite?
Mataji, Riyansh.
Riyansh.
Om.
Yes, Riyansh. You can proceed.
Ajnanam timirandasya jnanashalakaya chakshurunmilitam yena tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Okay, Riyansh, nicely
I
recited.
can recite.
Maulishri, you can do next. Yes, one by one.
Yes,
Maulishri.
Mataji.
Yes, Maulishri.
Om Ajnana Timirandhasya Jnana Salakaya Kakshur Anmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Very good. Small corrections are there. Shall I recite one time? You can all just listen, then you can recite. Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshur Unmilitam Ena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Yes, Sanidhya, you can recite?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Harimesh. Nishadai Krishna Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Shri Hadbet Pachar Shri Hadbet Gadadar Shri Vasadi Gurvatinda.
Oh, you are reciting Panchatantra mantra. That will come next. Aditya Singh, you are reciting the Panchatantra mantra. That will come next. Okay.
Can recite.
Yashika Tori, you can recite.
Om Ajnanam.
We are not able to hear you, Ashika.
Jnanam Hirandasya Jnananjan Salakaya Chakshurumilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Very good. Hari Bol. Baladev, yes, you can recite.
Yes, Mataji. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjala Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Yes, Rudra, you can recite. Rudra, you are not there.
Mataji, did I recite perfectly?
Yes, Baladev. Yes, Baladev. You have recited very nicely. You have recited nicely. Rudra, yes, you can recite.
Chakshana Om Biri Om Tam Tam Janne Tam Yena Tasme Shri Nama.
Very good. Nice effort. Just practice 2-3 times, then you can recite it very fluently. Okay?
Okay.
Nice.
Can I recite? I can say.
Jitamanyu, you can recite. Is it Satyajit or Jitamanyu? Who is going to recite?
Mataji, I am going to recite.
Your name Satyajit. Okay, you recite.
Om Ajnana
Timirandasya Jnananjana
Salakaya Kapsur Unmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Very good, very good. Nice, nice.
Mataji, I can say Sanidhya.
Sanidhya, yes, you recite Sanidhya.
ओम अज्ञानातिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
Very good. Aditya Singh, you want to recite? Aditya Singh, you have raised your hand. Yes? You don't know? Okay, okay. You can practice and then recite, okay? Yes, anybody else? Nandita? No.
Mataji, can Janita say it?
Janita. Yes, yes.
ओम ज्ञानातिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
Very bold. Nicely recited. Nicely recited. Shreya Vyas, you want to recite?
Yes, Mataji.
Ma'am,
Yes. I want to recite.
One by one, one by one. Let Shreya Vyas finish, then you can recite. Yes, Shreya.
Om Anjana.
Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnananjana
Jnananjana
Salakaya
Salataya
Chakshur
Jakshur
Unmilitam
Dulninitam
Ena
Dena
Tasmai Shri
Tasmai Shri
Gurave
Guruve
Namaha.
Namaha.
Very good. Very good. Nicely recited. Lakshay, yes, Lakshay, you can recite.
Om Ajnana Timirandhasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah.
Okay, nice effort. You can practice 2-3 times, then it will come. Lakshay, can you recite beside me? I will recite, then you can repeat again. Okay? Shall we do it once again? Lakshay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Om Ajnana
Om Akyana
Timirandasya
Tamriyadasya
Jnananjana
Jnananjana
Salakaya
Katya
Salakaya
Satya
Chakshur
Chakshur
Unmilitam
Om
Unmilitam
Unmilitam
Ena
Yana
Tasmai Shri
Tasmai Shri
Gurave Namaha.
Namaha.
Very good. So you can practice this. In next class, you can just recite it.
Recite.
You have not written your name. Lenovo tab. You tell me your name and then you can recite.
Mataji, can I recite?
Yes, you can recite. You can recite.
Om Ajnana Trimadasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshur Unmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Very good. The third line, it is Chakshur. It is not Ka, it is Cha. CA is Cha. In Sanskrit, it is Cha. Okay, let us see the meaning of this.
Okay, Mataji.
See, the meaning is, I was born in the darkest ignorance and my spiritual master opened my eyes with the torch of knowledge. I offer my respectful obeisances unto him. So everybody has a spiritual master or guru. We are all born in ignorance. We don't know what is real knowledge. So our spiritual master or guru, he opens our eyes with a torch called knowledge. So we offer our respects to him. This is Guru Pranam. This Guru Pranam should be recited whenever we recite any slokas or anything related to Shastra. So this is the procedure to start any recitation. So I want all the kids to recite this. And will you all send me the audio of your recitation along with video?
It's Mataji.
Yes. So in 1 or 2 days you practice.
Mataji.
Very good. Okay. So one more stanza is there. We'll go to the next one. So I want other kids who have not recited to recite now. Okay. Shall we see this? So it is this one. We are offering our Guru Pranams to Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, because of whose mercy today we are doing these classes. So this is, anybody knows this? Maulishri, you can recite?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Maulishri, you can recite.
What Vishnu Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namin Namaste Saraswate Dive Gauravani Persagin
Nirvishesha
Nirvishesha Shunyavadi
Paschatya
Paschatya Deshatari.
Very good. Nicely you have taken an effort.
Mataji, I can say.
You know it?
Sanidhya.
Sanidhya, you know it?
Mataji.
You know it?
Mataji.
Yes, okay. You can just recite. Yes, Sanidhya.
नमो ओम विष्णु पादाय कृष्ण प्रेष्ठत्य भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी इति नमिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पश्चातया देशतरीन्. Mataji.
Very good. Yajna, yes. Yes, Yajna, you can recite next.
नमो ओम विष्णु पादाय कृष्णा पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांता स्वामी निति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे.
Very good. Very nicely recited. Hari bol. A big Hari bol to Yajna.
Ma'am, can I say Shivan?
Shivan, say Shivans.
Namah Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine.
Very good. Hari bol. Nicely recited, Shivans. I know you are an expert in reciting the slokas. Very good. Next, Nandini. Nandini, shall we try?
Namaste Saraswati. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine.
Hari bol, Hari bol. Nicely recited. Nicely recited.
Mataji, can I recite Riyansh?
Riyansh, you just now you recited, na? Okay, anybody else? Okay, see, let us see the meaning of this. So this is, I offer my respectful obeisances unto His Divine Grace A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, who is very dear to Lord Krishna, having taken shelter at His lotus feet. Our respectful obeisances are unto you, O spiritual master, servant of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami. You are kindly preaching the message of Lord Chaitanya Deva and delivering the Western countries which are filled with impersonalism and voidism. This is the meaning of the sloka. So we are offering our obeisances to Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, who has gone to the Western countries on the orders of his spiritual master, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami. So we are offering our obeisances unto Prabhupada. So this is what this Sostra is about. So after this, we go to our assignment sloka. What was it? It's the Panchatattva mantra. I think you would have practiced this. So anybody quickly wants to recite? This very easiest one.
Pratyusha.
Yes, Pratyusha.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Bashati Gaur Bhakta Vrinda.
Very good. Hari Bol. Aryan?
हाँ बोलो.
Mataji, I can recite.
1 minute, 1 minute. Those who have not recited, they have to recite now. Aryan, you can recite. Where is Aryan? Okay, Yashika, you recite.
Krishna.
Sri Chaitanya Nityanandan Shri Advaita Gadadhar Vasadi Gaura Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna Hare Krishna.
Yes, yes, you can recite. Continue. See, when we say the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, once we complete one mala, 108.
Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Very good, very good. So once we recite the Hare Krishna Mahamantra 108 times, we have to recite this mantra. If we have recited anything wrongly, have made any offenses, this Panchatattva mantra can be recited so that it can be excused. Yes, who wants to recite next? You raise your hand. Rudra, you want to recite? Yes, Rudra. We are not able to hear you. You unmute and then recite.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
Okay, okay. You recite this Panchatattva mantra. Rudra. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda. Shall we recite together, Rudra? You are not interested?
Yes.
Yes. Recite together. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya.
Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaur Bhaktavinda.
Very good, very good. Janita, you want to recite? Janita?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya.
Prabhu Nityananda.
Closer to the mic, closer to the mic.
Come closer to the mic. Shri Advaita Gadadhara.
Shri Advaita Gadadhara.
Sri Vasadi.
Gaura
Gaura Bhaktavinda.
Bhaktavinda.
Very good, very good. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. So let us all chant together once Hare Krishna.
Mataji, can I recite?
Who is this? I'm not able to
Mataji,
see.
can I
Who is this? You tell me your name, please.
Mataji, can I recite? Hari Unave.
Okay.
Hari Unave, Mataji.
Okay, you recite, you recite. This will be the last, then we'll go to the next. Yes. Rudra, you should not make any mischief. Be a good boy and listen. Yes, you recite.
Ma'am, can I recite? Mataji, I have to recite that
Yes.
mantra or Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
Panchatattva mantra.
Can I recite?
Yes, Hari, you can recite.
Oh.
Hari, you can
Shri
go.
Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya. Prabhu Nityananda. Shri Advaita Gadadhara. Sri Vasadi Gaura.
Gaura Bhaktavrinda completed. You have muted. Okay. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Okay, kids, I want all of you to recite this Guru Pranam mantras entirely and send your audios within 1 or 2 days. Okay? Samiksha, you can record it and send the audio. Those kids who have not recited or who have recited, you just recite it and forward us your audios. Okay, shall we go into the next?
Yes, Mataji.
So it is story time.
Excuse me,
Sorry, all.
Mataji.
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna. Yes, Maulishri.
I have sent you the Surhabi cow recitation, but there was no answer from you.
Okay, maybe I would have missed it. Very sorry. I'll reply it. There was some issue with my phone also. I will reply to everyone. Okay.
Mataji, even
Yes.
I have sent.
Freya Vyas, I saw your video just now, just few minutes back I saw. Okay. So those who have not recited, you can recite and send. I will reply to everyone. Okay. Okay. Shall we go? Yes.
Janita also sent it.
Janita.
Yeah, she
Janita,
also
Janita, I have not received.
Mataji, we sent 3 videos, Mataji.
To
One
which
is
number you have
10.
sent? Personally, you have sent to my number?
Yeah, to WhatsApp. To WhatsApp number.
The Prahalad group. Okay.
No.
Then I'll discuss with my team. There are 4-5 members who are managing it. We'll discuss and we'll
Why?
get
Because
it. Okay?
in the group it says admins only can send.
Yes. Okay. You can send it privately. To the admins, you can send privately. 4-5 team members are there. To any one of them, you can send.
May know others, may know Mataji, other kids, how they are doing? Are they sending
Yes,
to WhatsApp?
they'll be through WhatsApp only. They are sending through WhatsApp only. Personal number you can send. Okay. Okay. So we'll continue. If you have any doubts, you can write to me. We'll reply. Okay. So let us go into the story. Are you ready to listen to story?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji.
So this is a story called Intelligent Dove. So once there was a small deer. Its name was Dove. Dove. Okay. So in a forest, a dove lived with his mother Harini. So there is a mother deer and a small deer. So the small deer was called Dove and his mother was Harini. So the mother was always worried as the dove has not learned the art of protecting oneself. So it keeps running here and there are so many animals, no? So the mother deer was a bit worried about the small deer because it has not learned how to protect itself. So it was a bit worried. So what did it do? It took the small dove to the uncle Hariraj. So it said, please teach some tricks for survival from enemies. He is very careless and so your teaching will help him. So what we do generally, the kids, we learn from elders, uncle, auntie, mausi and all. We learn all the good things. So this mother deer, she took her kid to the uncle called Hariraj and told him that please teach some tricks for survival to the young deer. So Hariraj also agreed to it. Sure, I will do it, said Hariraj. So the mother deer left the small deer with the uncle. So Dove stayed with his uncle and learned new tricks every day. See how to fight, those things. The deer is teaching, Hariraj deer is teaching the young deer how to protect itself. So the small deer, it learned a lot of tricks from its uncle. After a month, Hariraj took Dove back to his mother. So he has taught everything. I have taught him all the tricks, says Hariraj, and he brings back Dove to Harini and hand it over to his mother, saying that the dove has learned everything. So thank you. Now I hope you can take care of yourself. So the mother dove is a bit satisfied now. So she was worried, no, the small one is not knowing anything. Now the mother is pleased and he says, okay, I think you can take care of yourself. So let us see what the small deer does. So after some time, what happened? A few days later, Dove and his friends were playing. So small kids, they play, no? Likewise, the Dove was playing with the other kids. So Dove caught in a hunter's trap. A hunter had laid a net there. So the leg was trapped in the net. While he was playing, his leg got trapped in the hunter's net. So what did he do? So one of the friends who was free, he just ran back to his mother and said that, your son is trapped in hunter's net. So the friend was worried. He didn't know what to do. So he ran to his mother and he said that dove is caught in a hunter's net. So what did the mother say? Brother, dove is trapped. We need to help him. So this dove is saying that we need to help him. He is worried. She is crying. We have to do something. But the mother is very confident that because he has learned the tricks of survival, so the mother is confident that somehow he will do something and escape. Don't worry, now is the time of testing his skills. So he has learned, no? So he should know how to use it. It is not enough just we learn it. We have to use whatever we have learned. So the mother says, now it is the time of testing his skills. So what happens? What does the dove do? He remembered his uncle's lesson to lay still and stiff as a dead animal at such time. So what his uncle has taught, he's just thinking what to do. He remembers his uncle's teaching. So what his uncle has taught that you have to lay still and stiff as a dead animal. So you should pretend as if he were dead. So he remembers that lesson. So what he does now, see, he is lying down. He lies as if he is dead. He doesn't breathe and he is sleeping. But he pretends as if he is dead. Now the hunter comes. When dove heard the hunter is coming, he lay down and became still and stiff. So he heard the footsteps of the hunter. Immediately he lay down and pretended as if it is dead. Now what will the hunter do? Yes. Hare Krishna. What do you think the hunter will do now?
He will go away.
He will go away. Why he will go away? He has come to catch the dove, no? So see what he does. Oh, what a nice healthy dove. I have trapped. I should cook it immediately. Let me arrange for firewood. Yes, he goes away, but to come back again. He thought the dove is dead. So he feels that I'll go and bring some firewood to cook this. So he is very free because it pretends like it is dead. He thought, okay, I'll go and bring some firewood. Before that, he releases the trap and he thought it is dead. So I'll bring firewood and he released the trap. See, the trap is released. He runs to get the firewood. He removed the net from the dove's leg. The dove was left on the ground and the hunter went to fetch the firewood. Now what will the dove do?
Run away.
Yes, because it is not dead. It is just pretending. Very good. It is pretending as if it is dead. So the dove just jumped off and ran off. So immediately the dove jumped up and ran to safety. So the dove remembered the lesson taught by his uncle and so he escaped from the hunter. So Harini was proud of the dove that he had used his knowledge to save himself. So what is the moral of the story? Moral is knowing without doing is like plowing without sowing. So we plow everything. Plowing means we till the field. Then we have to sow it. Then only we can reap the benefits. Just plowing and keeping it will not give any results. So knowing without doing will not give any results. We have to know it and we have to implement it. Understood, kids?
Mataji, will you send this story on WhatsApp?
Definitely. I'm sending everything. In 1 or 2 days, I'll be sending. This time, tomorrow itself, I'll send everything. Okay? You like the story? You like the story?
Mataji.
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
So, the moral of the story is you should do what you are learning.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
have learned my English food.
You have led the story. Very good. So, what I am trying to say is, see, you people are reciting the slokas. Are you reciting? You are just hearing it. Whether you are reciting what you are learning. The Chatur Sloka everybody has recited? No. Nandita says no.
We recited the slokas.
I will do, Mataji.
Very good. Freya says
Yes,
she will do.
Mataji.
So everybody will do. See,
Mataji.
this Chatur Sloka, what we have
Yes.
10.8 to 10.11, 4 slokas which we have learnt in the previous sessions. are very important of the Bhagavad Gita, the 4 slokas. So Bhagavad Gita has around 700 verses. This 4 verses itself completes the essence of Bhagavad Gita. So it will be very useful if you recite it along with the translation. So I want every one of you to try it. Will you do it?
Mataji,
Yes.
I've done 10.8 and 10.9.
Yes, yes. Few of the kids have done, like Janita, Freyavya, Sashika Todi, Rudra, Sanidhya, Maulishri, Raghav, Freyansh. Few of your kids have done. Nicely you have done. Few of the kids have done only 1 or 2 slokas. I want everybody to do all the 4 slokas. So you take 2 or 3 days time, and in the coming week, you kindly submit the audio or video. Okay? Will you do it? You take it as an assignment. And one more thing, as a one time, I will forward both the audio and video. Yes, yes.
I don't have all the
slokas. Yes, I understand. So this time, today, I will send all the 4 slokas. If not today, tomorrow morning, I'll send all the 4 slokas.
I am new, Mataji. Excuse me. I am new, Mataji.
Okay, you tell me your name. You have not put your name here. Lenovo tab it is showing.
Ashya. Mataji, Ashya.
Ashya. Spell your name. A-S-H.
A-R-S-H-I-A, Ashya.
A-R-S-H. Okay, Ashya. Okay, you have joined the WhatsApp group? Prahalad group?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, okay. Then you will receive all the contents of the classes. Yes, anyone having doubt?
Mataji. No, Mataji. Shri.
Yes, Maulishri. Tell me, Maulishri.
Can I tell a Gayatri mantra?
1 minute. We'll finish the session. Then we'll give chance to everybody. Okay? Maulishri wants to recite Gayatri mantra. If you are not able to do in classes, no problem. You can just recite it and send me the audio. Okay? Okay, any doubt relating this story and 4 sloka, Chatur shloka? So everybody will recite the Chatur shloka and send it?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. So I'll forward both the audio and the verses. You just try to memorize it and you can recite it and send the audio. Okay. So we will go to our next session. What is our next session? Yes.
I am 9. I will recite the poem Surabika.
Surabika, you have recited. You have sent me the audio?
No. Mataji, where I will send?
In the WhatsApp, we are sending messages. No, you can just reply it privately. In the WhatsApp, we are sending the messages. In that, click reply privately and forward the video. Okay? All the kids are sending like that only. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, today shall we see another rhyme?
Mataji, yes, Mataji.
Yes, we will see another rhyme. What is today's rhyme?
No, it will be a different rhyme.
I wish it was Jacob Ali.
The story you were able to see, no, my screen?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, now we will see the rhymes. Krishna. So today rhyme is called Jolly Good Fellows. So you're all jolly good fellows, no? You're all jolly good fellows?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, so today's rhyme is called
Jolly Good
Jolly
Fellow.
Good Fellows.
Let's see how it is.
Okay, you just confirm. You're able to see my screen?
Yep. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
So I'll just on the audio, you recite once, then we'll recite together, okay?
We are jolly good fellows, we are jolly good fellows, devotees of Krishna, happy and joyful. We are jolly good fellows, we are jolly good fellows, devotees of Krishna, happy and joyful. We serve him all day, remembering all the way. Without Krishna, we would never have a happy day. We serve him all day, remembering all the way. Without Krishna, we would never have a happy day. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Yes, you like the rhyme?
Yes, Mataji.
Shall we sing it together?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji. We are jolly good fellows.
Let us start together. 1 minute. Hare Krishna.
We are
Yes.
jolly good fellows. We are jolly good fellows.
Devotees of Krishna.
We are joyful.
We are jolly good fellows.
Devotees of Krishna. We serve him all day, remembering all the way. Without Krishna, we would never have a happy day. We serve him all day, remembering all the way. Without Krishna, we would never have a happy day. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare
Okay. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Okay. Now one by one. Now one by one. One by one. Okay.
Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Okay, I will call Saisha to recite this. Saisha, are you ready?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Please go ahead.
We are jolly good fellows. We are jolly good fellows. Devotee of Krishna, happy and joyful. We serve him all day, remembering all the ways. Without Krishna, we would never have a happy day.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hari Bol. Yes, anyone wants to recite along with the music? I'll put the music also so that you get the tune. Sanidhya. Sanidhya, let Sanidhya finish, then Maulishri. Okay. 1 minute. We'll give first to Nandita. Nandita has not recited. Nandita? Nandita?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Nandita.
Yes, Mataji.
I'll put the audio also. You can sing along with the tune. Yes, Nandita. Go ahead.
We are jolly good fellows.
Yes.
We are jolly good fellows. We are jolly good fellows.
Yes, sing along. Sing along. Yes, Nandita. I'm not able to hear you.
We are jolly good fellows. We are good fellows. Devotees of Krishna, happy and joyful. We serve him, remembering all the way. Without Krishna, we will never have a happy day. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Bol. Sanidhya, yes, you can.
Yes, Mataji. We are jolly good fellows. We are jolly good fellows. Devotees of Krishna, happy and joyful. We are jolly good fellows. We are jolly good fellows. Devotees of Krishna, happy and joyful. We serve him all the day, remembering all the way. Without Krishna, we will never have a happy day. We serve him all the day, remembering all the way. Without Krishna, we will never have a happy day. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hari Bol. Nicely is recited. Nicely sung. Nicely sung. Maulishri, yes, Maulishri, you can. Maulishri is always ready to sing. Yes.
We are jolly good fellows. 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 Devotees of Krishna, happy and joyful. We serve him all day. Remember all the way. Without Krishna, we would never have a happy day. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hari Bol. Shivans, you can sing, Shivansh. Unmute and sing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We are jolly good fellows. We are jolly good fellows. Devotees of Krishna, happy and joyful. We are serving him all day, remembering always. Without Krishna,
We would never have a happy day. Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji, can I sing?
Pratyusha. Yes, Pratyusha. Yes, Pratyusha. Yes, Pratyusha. Riyansh, you have recited next. Yes. Pratyusha, you can sing.
We are jolly good fellows. We are jolly good fellows. Devotees of Krishna, happy and joyful. We serve him all day. Sorry, ma'am. Remember all the
Remembering
way.
all the way.
Without Krishna, we would never have a happy day. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna.
I didn't get a chance. Ma'am, I want to
Samiksha. Samiksha, yes, you can sing Samiksha.
Jolly good fellows. We are jolly good fellows. We are jolly good fellows. Devotees of Krishna, happy and joyful. We are jolly good fellows. We are jolly good fellows. Devotees of Krishna, happy and joyful. We serve him all day, remembered him all the way. Without Krishna, we would never have a happy day.
Hare Krishna,
We serve
Hare.
him all day, remembered him all the way. Without Krishna, we would never have a happy day. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Hare. Hare Bol. Nicely sung, Samiksha. Nicely sung.
Thank you, Mataji.
Welcome.
Mataji, can I sing?
Riyansh, yes, Riyansh. I think with this, we can wind up. Yes, Riyansh, you can go ahead.
We are jolly good fellows. We are jolly good fellows. Devotees of Krishna, happy and joyful. We are jolly good fellows. We are jolly good fellows. Devotees of Krishna, happy and joyful. We serve him all day, remembering all the way. Without Krishna, we would never have a happy day. We serve him all day, remember all the way. Without Krishna, we would never have a happy day. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna. Nicely said, Riyansh. Yes, Lakshay, yes, go ahead, Lakshay. Yes, Lakshay.
We are jolly good fellows. We are jolly good fellows. Devotees of Krishna, happy and joyful. Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Thank you.
Hari Bol. Nicely sung, Lakshay. Okay.
Can I tell it now? Mataji, can I tell it now?
Aryan.
Tell it, Mataji.
Aryan. Yes, Aryan. Aryan, you wanted to recite?
Yes.
No, Aryan is not there.
Devotees of Krishna, happy and joyful. We serve him all the day, remember him all the way. Without Krishna, we would never have a happy day. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare.
We bol. Hare Krishna. Okay, kids. I think we have come to the end of the session. So I'll send all the details in WhatsApp. You can just go through it. You can recite the rhymes. Rhymes also audio I will send. And the Chatur Sloka. I'm very particular about the 4 slokas. So that I have not taken any sloka today. Today we have recited Guru Pranam. So the Chatur Slokas, Guru Pranam, and the rhymes you have to recite and send the audio. Okay. So this week assignment is recite the rhymes, recite Guru Pranams and share your audio video. Chatur Sloka recitation. Who are recited, their names will be announced in next week's session. So you take this week full time and you can send it. Is anyone having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, so let us conclude the session with chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra together. Okay, 3 times. Let's go. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. Hare Bol, kids. So meet you all in the next session.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Have a happy week ahead. Hare Krishna. Hare Bol.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.